In this video, I'm gonna use AI to build an entire print-on-demand niche from scratch, then turn it into 100 design ideas in just a few minutes using Nano Banana 2. But here's the twist. Instead of guessing what to sell, I'm gonna let ChatGPT pick the niche for me, then validate it using real data. From there, I'll take the top performing keywords, turn them into AI design prompts, and bulk generate designs that you could actually sell because they're already actually selling. If you've ever felt stuck not knowing what niche to choose or how to scale once you find one, this is gonna show you a repeatable system that you can use over and over again, and I'm breaking it down step by step. Let's get into it. So I'm here in ChatGPT. I started a new project called Print on Demand to keep everything clean, and I'm gonna dictate to it exactly what I need. So I'm starting a new print on demand business, and I wanna launch a standalone website where I sell print on demand products in a single niche. Now I need your help coming up with niche ideas, and the only real requirement I have is that I wanna be able to scale this out into potentially hundreds of products over time. So I need there to be big sub-niche potential. Please write a list of some ideas, at least 10. Guys, if you're not using AI, it's that easy. What you just saw me do. I'm gonna literally let you watch this output in real time. So the first example it said is blue collar pride for trades and skilled workers. So anything related to professions, by the way, is a great niche in my experience. And I mean, you could do simple text-based designs and it works really well. I know that. Pet owner identity. Of course, people love their pets. That's a nice one. Fitness micro niches. So things like if fitness is your overarching niche, then, you know, sub niche would be like powerlifting, CrossFit, running, bodybuilding, yoga. Anybody who says CrossFit, that might be trademarked. You're probably correct. Of course, don't publish anything without checking trademarks. Parenting humor, love that. Dark humor, offensive comedy, hobbies and passion communities like fishing, hunting, gaming, gardening. So just like hobbies. Spiritual, patriotic, career-based. So white collar or blue collar, political and cultural commentary. That one might be a little bit harder unless you're really willing to keep up with like the newest, latest, greatest emerging trends. Relationship humor, motivational, self-improvement, gamers, local pride, regional identity, lifestyle aesthetics, etc. So we got 15 different suggestions, guys. For this example, we're gonna go with the suggestion for the spiritual niche. Sub niches include astrology signs, tarot, crystal, moon phases. There's a ton of examples, but here's the thing. We can do better than ChatGPT. We're gonna use Merch Dominator, my go-to research tool for print on demand. It does a great job looking at Amazon and cataloging the best sellers and emerging trends, but today we're not using it for Amazon. We're gonna use it for Redbubble. So click Redbubble, then click Tag Generator. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste spiritual and I'm gonna hit search. Now it went and grabbed the top 10 tags on Redbubble related to spiritual, which is what I searched for. Underneath Redbubble tags, it says show 10 entries. I'm gonna go to 100. So you can see spiritual, meditation, spirituality, yoga, Jesus, Bible, Christian, God, witch, magic, cross, faith, manifest, Buddhism, love, spiritual art. Guys, there's 100 different keywords suggested related to our parent niche of spiritual. So what I'm gonna do is actually left click and select this entire data table, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I now have all 100 of these top performing tags. I'm gonna go to a Google Drive blank spreadsheet and I'm going to paste it. Now from here, what I'm gonna do, this one might be a little bit hard to follow. I will put it in the description, try to make your life easy, but I'm gonna turn these tags into prompts that we can run in AI to generate images for us. Now, in this example, I wanted to show you, you can go back to ChatGPT and you can ask it to basically help you design a generic prompt. So what I asked it here is I basically said, I need you to assist me to create a generic prompt for print on demand designs so that when I use it for AI design creation, I can just kind of copy paste it and it'll understand what my goal is. So it wrote that for me right here. And I basically chopped it down in Notepad into a single sentence. Okay, I'll read it to you in a second, but what I'm gonna do is copy that to my clipboard and then I'm gonna go back to that spreadsheet. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'll put this so you can copy paste it in case you wanna follow along, but I'm gonna hit the equal sign, I'm gonna hit quote, quote, I'm gonna hit ampersand, then I'm gonna click, I'm holding control by the way, and I'm gonna left click the cell that I want it to pull in. So what it's gonna do, and then I'm gonna hit ampersand and quote, space, and paste. It's gonna dynamically pull in the column B tag dynamically for all 100 rows now, because I just added this formula. And what I'm gonna say before that keyword is I'm gonna say, create a t-shirt design in the, and then I'm gonna pull in that keyword, niche. Period. Okay, so what it says is create a t-shirt design in the spiritual niche, bold, high contrast, vector style illustration with clean lines and minimal shading, centered composition, balanced layout and crisp details. Include text, if any, in bold, readable typography, transparent background, no background elements, print ready, 300 DPI, high resolution PNG, 2:3 aspect ratio, optimized for print on demand. Boom. Easy, guys, easy. enter. Now what I'm gonna do is click that cell, and you'll notice that there is a little circle in the bottom right corner of that cell. I'm gonna left click and drag it down until it covers all 100 rows. And it just created 100 print on demand prompts. Now, would you believe me if I told you we can use all 100 at once and have AI create designs for each unique prompt? Because we can do just that, guys. It is absolutely insane what's possible. I'm gonna copy it. And actually, guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna do all 100 because it would take me an hour just to show you the outputs. How about we take like the top 10 or maybe the top 15, I guess. And I'm gonna go over to a tool called My Designs, okay? And here in My Designs, we have the ability to use AI and automation as print on demand sellers to basically do every process that used to take days or weeks, certainly hours at a minimum. And often we had to hire VAs and pay them hourly rates and all that stuff, guys. My Designs does all of it for us. We can literally bulk publish up to 100 products at a time, including doing all the SEO, all the mockups, etc. I have a separate video that I'll link to in the description. I'll link to it later where I show all of that. This video is meant to be a little bit more concise and shorter, but I'm gonna go on the left-hand side and click Dream AI. What I'm gonna do here is text to image design creation for our new print on demand business. Make sure the mode at the top is set to text to image. The model, well, you can do any that you see that they integrate, and they often integrate right away. For instance, the day that Nano Banana 2 came out, they had already integrated it, so it's insane. They've got Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Ideogram, Recraft, Flux, Seedream, etc. They've got so many options, but I'm gonna do Nano Banana 2 as promised. You can have it generate up to 4 images at a time. It just uses more credits. I say we do 2 images at a time. Aspect ratio, let's set it to 2:3. Image resolution, because we're gonna vectorize these images, I mean, not on this video, but in theory, I did it in the other video that I mentioned. I show you how we can vectorize them in bulk, remove the background, vectorize them, apply them to various print on demand product specific templates, and then actually create those mockups and publish those products with automated fulfillment. You can do it all in My Designs, guys. It's insane. This is made by print on demand sellers for print on demand sellers. Keep the resolution at 1K, enable parallel prompts, and then all you have to do is take what we just made here in the spreadsheet. You could literally do all 100 at a time, probably better to chunk them up though, and then paste. And then I just have to hit start dreaming, and in less than 60 seconds, it is going to generate all of those print on demand ready designs that we requested. Let's take a peek at the designs that Nano Banana 2 created for us here in My Designs. The first niche was cross. All right, and again, these are based on the best performing tags related to spirituality on Redbubble that Merch Dominator went and pulled for us and made very accessible. So cross, you can see the 2 designs say faith over fear. The next one is in the witch niche. You can see witching hour, witchy vibes, witchy vibes. This is in the meditation niche. Love both of those. Think they look great. Next one's in the faith niche. Both say faith over fear. Next one is in the magic niche, and they both have like wizards, magic of mastery, and arcane. Next one is the Christian niche. It says Lion of Judah, Jesus is king. Next one says faith over fear, Lion of Judah, Revelation 5:5. Next one is in the Bible niche, faith over fear. By the way, we can go ahead and like be more specific in our prompts if we want to. It's just a matter of how much time you want to spend on each prompt. Obviously, it got a little bit excited here with the faith over fear based on what we just saw. The Jesus niche, Jesus, Lion of Judah, King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Spiritual niche. So this just used our initial prompt of spiritual, but it says rise and be awakened, spiritual consciousness, protect, align, grow, spiritual harmony. Pretty cool designs there. Next one is in the God niche. It says God is my strength, Psalm 28:7. Next one says God, King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Next one's the yoga niche. All right, both of those are pretty cool. You got the lotus flower in the background of both of them as well. Warrior 2 pose. Like, damn, I couldn't have forgotten that already. I met my wife at yoga. The spirituality niche here, it says awaken your higher consciousness. On the left to the right, it says find your inner light. And that was the 15 that we requested that it create, guys. As I showed you, based on the outputs from Merch Dominator, we have 100 different niches for it to work with. You can see like Hinduism, mandala, energy, tarot, religion, mindfulness, boho, angel numbers, ritual, spells, esoteric, witchcraft. I mean, literally the full spectrum. You can run with all of these, or you can comb through them and trim them down based on what you see fit. But I hope you enjoyed that example. So just to recap, we used ChatGPT to generate a niche with tons of sub-niche potential, then validated it using Merch Dominator's tag data, and finally turned those keywords into AI-generated designs in bulk using My Designs. That's the full workflow. Idea to validation to design, and it's very scalable. The best part is once you have this process down, you can repeat it for any niche that you want to build out and build an entire catalog extremely quickly. If you want to try this yourself, I'll link to everything I used in the description below. Plus, I made a video similar to this, but I showed the full publishing workflow in My Designs. I'll link to that in the description as well, and I'll put it in the YouTube cards right here. So if you got value from this, let me know in the comments. What niche would you try with this if you were to take what I showed you and do it yourself? I'm curious to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.